Good morning. This is Lily Ramsden, and this is going to be part 2 of our crochet coaster. I have some contrasting yarn, and we need to make some pretty stitches on it. And I forgot to get a go by. Give me your coaster, baby. Oh, shoot. Okay, this is the coaster I made for my husband. And he wanted it in white, and he has now dyed it coffee color. And so this is just a simple single crochet. So we're going to start where we ended off. Yarn over and pull our yarn through. Go through the next single crochet, yarn over and pull the... You want down, baby? Or did you just not like where you were sitting? And then you single crochet again. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Increase. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now increase. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and increase. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. 6 and 7. And now we slip stitch into the first single crochet and do another slip stitch. Tie off our yarn. And we're going to get this on the same side as the other and get them closer together so it won't show. And sometimes it's easier just to use the tapestry needle. So it's just up to you if you want to use your hook or the tapestry needle. But we've got our yarn together, and now we're going to do a double knot. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2. Do it again. It came out. Pull tight, but not too tight that it'll make this pucker. Just tight enough for it to be close but not puckering. And then yarn over and yarn over again and finish that double knot. And this knot will not come out So we can go ahead and cut our tail ends right here. And there we have it. We have us a pretty coaster. It's only 2 colors and it's only single crochet, but it's still pretty. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.